Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 surprising price and shocking details appeared on the network. Already in the second half of this year, in the next few months, the presentation of the flagship smartphone Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, which then, after a few days or weeks, will go on sale. This unit will be most advanced on the market of all Chinese corporations launched into the market. The network got valuable information about what all this mobile device top level can please. The information about Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 was shared by the Xiaomi insider, who had previously repeatedly provided reliable information about the future phones of the Chinese corporation. New details shed light on what will delight all of the new. Welcome to Science and Knowledge. My name is Shehbaz. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel for our future videos. As expected in Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, the manufacturer decided to bet not only a very high performance and beautiful appearance, but also on the possibility of a camera. Especially for this purpose, a quadruple main camera with a resolution of 64 megapixels will be installed in this mobile device, and Sony will supply the optics. In this regard, the novelty is likely to enter the top 3 of the world's best smartphones in the terms of quality of photos and recorded videos. Otherwise, the mobile device will be credited with an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor with a clock frequency of 2.84 GHz, which is complemented by Adreno 640 graphics and an X50 modem with support for 5G networks. Yes, one of the features of Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 will be support for 5th generation networks at speeds up to 3 GB per second. And this is guaranteed to delight residents of many countries in the world where it is already 5G. It is alleged that the basic model of this flagship will be received 8GB of RAM, 128GB of permanent memory, and it will cost $520. While for a configuration with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of ROM, you will have to lay out $580. According to the source, the presentation of this top-level smartphone will be held in September. That is soon enough. Directly out of the box, the phone will be installed the Android 10.0 operating system in the form of firmware MIUI 11. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge or visit our website targetyoutube.com. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.